It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Another Canadian chip. Ruffles, sour cream, and bacon. You're from Canada. Have you ever tried them?
No.
All right, open them up. Let's see what we think. Even the Canadians get to try something new.
He's had them before. He's all about it. It's like,
Have you had them before? No?
Let's try them.
Hey, my plates!
That's really, really good.
What do they taste like?
They have more
Bacon.
maple. They taste like mapley
bacon makes
bacon.
everything better.
Mapley bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah, maple bacon.
Do bacon.
It tastes like
It's French.
sweet at first. And then it goes in the bacon taste more. It tastes like bacon with a little maple at the end.
Oh, you taste the maple at the end, huh? Everybody else said they taste the maple first. What do you think?
Well, end to end first.
It's good.
Have you tried them before, Mark?
I have not.
They start off like a sour cream and cheddar Ruffles, but then the bacon kicks in.
So that makes them even better.
The sour cream and cheddar Ruffles are really good. But the bacon kind of.
Yeah, it's really mild bacon. Pretty good. I don't know if I like the aftertaste. The lingering flavor.
I don't like how it lingers. Yeah.
I love it.
Right, I'm behind camera crunching here. They are sweet. I don't taste maple at all, but they have a sweet taste. What do you think?
They're very weird. I really do like the maple and bacon chips better.
Would you guys want to buy those again?
Totally.
No.
No? You say yes?
Well,
What do you think?
You asked me to try pork rinds, and I didn't like them either.
Pork rinds are my favorite.
They're reminding me of it.
Pork rinds,
Pork
yeah.
rinds are
Why do
really-
you not like pork rinds when you guys have 2 bags of them in your house?
Someone else in our house likes them. And we can't get it. That was our new food Friday when we were down south.
They come
Nothing
south
on
to
here
try
says
pork
bacon.
rinds.
There's no bacon in them.
There's no bacon in them.
You did New Food Friday with
They're
pork rinds
they're
and
good, but I don't think I'd buy them.
I'd rather
Right.
have the sour cream and cheddar ones, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thumbs up or thumbs down?
I give it a thumbs up because they're good, but
But not worth buying again?
No, I'd buy it again. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I prefer ketchup.
They are very sweet. Here comes Emmett across the field.
Emmett, come try some of your chips.
I have a chip for you.
I think he just might like them.
Did you put a shirt like that?
What's the...
Try this chip. Tell me what you think.
So, Dad, per person 20...
How is it?
It's good.
You like that one?
Yeah?
Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
Yeah, 50 grams.
Thumbs up? Show me. Show me your thumbs up. Thumbs up. That's a good one, huh? Oh, are you changing your mind? What's happening?
So you know
Hey, Em.
thumbs down.
Is it good or bad?
Pat.
Is it a bad one? All right, well, there you have it. Maybe you shouldn't buy
A lot
those.
of stuff. He'll be eating it and then just all of a sudden.
No.
Nope. All right. All right, James, what do you think?
We didn't choke each other.
No, but I choked you first.
Taste the
Hey,
sour.
James, the camera's over
I
here.
can taste the sour cream. A little taste of bacon. Pretty good.
Would you buy them again?
Yeah.
Are these sweet pickles?
So a thumbs up.
All
All right, I think most of the kids like them more than the adults.